Pizza Xtreme deep dish. We'll be needing 2 cups of flour put in a glass jar. Then we add 1 teaspoon of honey, 1 teaspoon of dry yeast, 1½ cup of warm water. Mix the ingredients very well and then cover it first with plastic wrap and then with a towel. We let the mix rest for 30 minutes. Then we open it and add 1 cup of flour, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. We're gonna let it rest for 30 minutes. After half an hour, we're gonna open it and see that it's still wet. That's okay, don't worry about it. Dust your working place with some flour and then pour in all the dough. Make sure you have enough flour underneath it and on top of it. And then start kneading it gently in the manner that you see. After like 2 minutes, it's gonna become harder. When done, split the dough into 2 sections. One you put it in the glass jar for later use, and the other you put it back in the glass bowl and cover it again. This time, we're gonna put it to rest 6 to 12 hours. And now, the dough is ready. Dust your working place with some flour and pour in your dough. Don't knead it, just put on top of it some flour and spread it in the manner that you see. This kind of kneading makes the pizza bubble up. If you don't want the pizza very thick, just use 2/3 of the dough. To transfer the pizza into the pan, I'm using here a thin plastic sheet cutter, aligning it with the butter paper. Then I slide the butter paper into a perforated pan. The size of the pan should be between 28 and 32 centimeters. Cut the edge of the butter paper and cover it. Preheat the oven on maximum for 10 minutes. Prepare the stuffing as desired. Now the 10 minutes is done. We open on the dough and put a little bit of olive oil and punch it in the way that you see. First, we add homemade tomato pizza sauce. You can click on the link to see it. And then we add a little bit of ketchup. Not much, just a little bit. Now top it with the desired ingredients that you prepared. I'm using fresh mushrooms and sliced onions and beef pepperoni. Now I prepared a mixed shred of cheeses, which is mozzarella and cheddar cheese, and then top my pizza. Now it's ready to go into the oven at 210 degrees Celsius for 18 minutes. And it's ready. If you chose to go with a thinner crust, then you only need 15 minutes. Let's cut it, transfer it into a plate, and enjoy it.